कॉलिंग अटेंशन सपोर्ट करपाक हांव उबो आसा आनी जेन्ना सगळे उलयलेले आहाय खास करून जेन्ना मुखेलमंत्रीन बजेट स्पिचान सांगलां की एग्रीकल्चर हे खातें आनी ह्या खात्यान म्हाका दिसता इफ वी लूक एट द कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन इट इज ओनली 5% टू द स्टेट्स इकॉनॉमी absolutely only 5%. This was the backbone of Goa's much before mining. But आज जरी तर चल्यार the government today has failed to support the farmers. It is very clear. Basic fencing, irrigation, machinery, जरी तर कृषि कार्ड या querying जरी तर ते बसना. There has to be relaxation. If we are getting in, what relaxation will the Honorable Chief Minister propose? When it comes to whether it is community farming, whether it comes to contract or whether it comes to issues where they do not have the Krishi card. So will you come with any type of relaxation where they are allowed? You read a list of schemes, but we are, instead of basically because we are not discussing growth. We are not discussing any type of growth in the agriculture sector. What we are discussing is basic support systems. You look at other states are talking about doubling the farmer's income. Here, southern irrigation, fencing, these type of things are not available. Because this means that the farmers are basically left to struggle on their own. There are a lot of women farmers also that are...
Honourable Member, the House is extended by 5 minutes.
There are a lot of women farmers also that are being mentioned today. For years, there is no serious policy to support them with equipment, training or any financial assistance. The schemes are there, but there has to be a committee to understand, to troubleshoot where the problem is happening, why the schemes are not effective. Agriculture in Goa today, because also it has been declining because of the policies. Policies, khas karan, the focus is more on tourism, the focus is more on real estate rather than agriculture. If farmers, do not receive this infrastructure support, many will simply abandon farming. And ye amche dais, ye je parampara amchi ha, ye je intu ya khatyan sodarop korpak. Bab Ravi Naik inga na, but ek agriculture policy teni hardly after so many years. But what is the implementation? I think the Honorable Chief Minister must explain why the existing schemes, what you have mentioned, so many schemes, whether it is reaching the farmer. If it is not reaching the farmer, the flaw, whether Krishi card is the problem, whether there will be any relaxations that you would propose so that the farmer gets the benefit. Thank you, sir.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.